Welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. I'm a trading enthusiast and love to simplify trading. To get started, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. What's up everybody? So I'm making this pre-market video today. It's 6:40 a.m. I'm looking at PLTR and I wanted to post a video because this is what I'm looking to play today. I'm going to wait until the market bell hours. I want to see if it sells off a little bit, but PLTR is showing signs of reversal and I'm going to show you why. So I'm on the 5-day chart right now. 5 days ago PLTR is trading, I'm looking at up here, was trading in the 23.16 area and it was consolidating for like a good week in this $23 range, but never broke it, which is very important because I remember making a video talking about how if it breaks the 22.5 range, we're going to be in some trouble. Then PLTR starts moving up, and look where its new lows is. I want you to focus on the higher highs and the higher lows. So it went from 23.17 all the way up to 23.5. Back down to 23.28, retested it again at the 23.23, which is still higher than the 23.2, goes up to about 23.8, sells off, 23.5, you can see the trend here, it's lower highs, higher highs, sells off to about 23.3, and then that's the last time right now that it's been doing that pre-market. It's up to 23.45 right now, this is real time. And then it went up last night up to 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for any entry below 23. 23.8 is where I'm going to go heavy, but $24 is where I'm going to look to make an entry, 10% of my total investment that I'm going to put in, and I'm going to look to add if it's anywhere in this 23.7 range. It might be easier if I show this on Webull because it's just smoother when you're doing it like this. But you can see that it has really from 23.2 already, and this doesn't show, Webull doesn't show the pre-market hours because I'm looking on Fidelity right now and it's at 24.39. So it's already up, I'm just showing the percentage, up 5% in the last 5 days. But even that, if you look, you can see that yesterday it was trading in the $24 range and it was holding. Now, I'm hoping that we're going to get a pullback to 23.7. That's where I would feel comfortable holding a big amount of shares on PLTR. And you want to buy when it's reversing. Because when you look at the chart, it's good to buy the death sometimes, but sometimes you buy it and it doesn't stop bleeding. So I'm showing this for everybody that's the subscribers. I just want to see, I believe we're starting to see reversal here. I mean, I'm going out on the 6-month chart and you can see that, you know, where the high is 29, back down to 22, and it's trending back up. So I think this is very important. Now let's take a quick look and let's just see where the next resistance is going to be, because if it does break out today and we actually finally get some movement out of PLTR, we want to know where we could potentially have to sell here, or at least take some profits, or put a stop loss in where we bought it, just in case, obviously, if we're wrong. Looks like $25 is going to be a resistance area because I'm looking at here and it's already at 24.4 in the pre-market, right? So that is a new high. These things you need to focus on. When you're going to pull reversal trades, you want to see where it is making new highs in the pre-market, because this is going to be a sign of resistance now, that 24.4. And look, it's stuck here right now in the pre-market hours. And when 7 o'clock hits in about 20 minutes, they're going to take some gains, but it might still trend up. So we need to see, is PLTR going to break 24.5? That's the critical level. And is it going to break 24.7? If it breaks those two levels, we are going to be going up to 25.50 today. So we'll see. I mean, those are big gaps up, but we will see. There's definitely a possibility. I'm hoping that we get a pullback to like 23.7 to 23.8. I'm going to start adding in that 24 to 23.9 range. But if it keeps dipping and it looks like it's a quick dip, it's going to get bought up, because once you start seeing this momentum, this is when you're going to start seeing heavy buyers come in, because we have a nice little reversal where it's coming up. Something to focus on, something to look at this morning. This is what I'm going to be focusing on, and this is the 1 month. And it's just been consolidating in this $23 range. And remember, we had that big news where PLTR went up to 26.50 and then just sold off immediately. So I'm just bringing up the big picture here, 6 months, and it does look like a nice bullish trend. But remember, it's still below the SMA at 24.73. So the EMA line, the 6-month EMA line, once we get over this hump, it's at 24.4 in the pre-market. Once we get over the 24.7 mark, I feel like we're going to start seeing blue skies, which is going to be really nice. So just something to look into. This is something I'm going to be looking to play today, and PLTR is going to be my main watch. So I just wanted to post that. It's pre-market, so if you see this video, at least you know where I'm going to be looking to trade today.